Okay, well, I'm out here doing a battery placement. Just got the new battery in here, and I thought, well, this is a great time now to finally get this seat latch location bracket mounted up. Got it in from, so I got this in from RE Motorworks a while back, but just have not installed it. You'll find him on Facebook. So nicely packaged up here. All right, so this is the kit right there. And it comes with some screws as well. Anyways, it should go right up here to attach right there and to hold that cable in place. Alright, got the bracket mounted up with the two M6 bolts. Now this cable just gets to slot into right here. So that will go right there to there, but I think I'm going to, it comes with these two little rubber grommets to go on either side. I'm going to go ahead and throw those on there to hold it in place a little better. Alright, now that's all in there. Lock's working perfectly. Got there, I don't know if you can see the little rubber grommets there, but there you go. RE Motorworks on Facebook.